One morning, stocks go up, stocks go down. Amazing day yesterday, and then we see, and then we see, then we see. Okay, so understand this. There's no compelling reason for the market to go down. There's all kind of fake stuff out there. People are saying Trump did this, he changed his mind. It's all bullshit. Okay, now maybe it's real, maybe it's not. Don't care. If you expect zero, you don't care. Okay, very very straightforward. Huge winners yesterday. Hope you changed them. Numbers are simple today. Tesla through 323 if it gets through. Simple. Microsoft through 452. Simple. TTD trying to break 81. Simple. These are really simple numbers, and you just got to wait. NASDAQ is now positive. The NVIDIA news, they haven't officially announced it, but if they announce it, does NVIDIA go to 130, 140? Very, very possible. Millions of chips. I don't know what it comes out to cost. I mean, if you do 40,000 per. No, hold on. Let's go do this math. So, if you say a million chips, and you times it by 40,000 per chip, 40 billion? Is that right? Guys, I mean, am I right there? 40 billion, right? Wow. Billion, 40 billion. So that's big. That becomes bigger than the China thing. So why is NVIDIA not at 150? Interesting. Okay. So let's see about that. The banks continue to go. They're selling the stuff that had moved earlier, which is like Netflix and stuff. Palantir, if it gets through 126, it'll be ready. HIMS, if it gets through 61, it'll be ready. And then we see. Avago is telling you it's better. Trump commented on de minimis. De minimis was the $800 you could get with no tariff. So now what they're saying is the de minimis tariff will go from 145 to 45%. I think that's right. But there's a $100 minimum. So if you buy an item for $500 with no tariff, but there's still a tariff because a minimum $100. Okay, so just understand that. So that's not great for Amazon, but it's still there. And PDD went up saying that there's no tariff, but if you got a $100 minimum for every item, there you go. But the de minimis is under $800. So this is unique. You can't buy two of them because then it becomes $1,600, and then you're going to pay the 45%, which is over $100. Okay, so interesting. So just keep an eye on that. That's what they did to de minimis. The Mag 7 are breaking out. Meta. So guys, this is basic thinking, and if you want to become great, you have to think like Sam. You just do. Okay. So here's the thing. I posted this on Twitter. I said, Trump says China's going to open up. And I said, well, maybe Meta and Google into China. Now, I don't know if that's going to happen, okay? But I didn't say it was going to happen. What did I say? Come on. What did I say? Just type in one word. What did I say? Starts with an I, and then it has if. If it happens, Meta opens at 900. At 900. Guys, China got 2-3 billion people. You add all those people to Facebook, the business effectively doubles. It should probably go to 1,200. Google doesn't do any search there. If they get in and they start doing search there, the numbers go up minimum 25%. Now, I didn't say it was going to happen. I don't know if it's going to happen. It's sure not going to happen fast. But you don't need it to happen fast. All Zuckerberg has to say, let me tell you, if Zuckerberg just says, he just puts out a statement, if Trump gets us into China, we'll go in. That's all he has to say. And the stock's up 100, 150. That's it. So the fools on Twitter, and let me tell you, they're like, Sam, no way in hell it's going to happen. Who cares? I didn't say it was going to happen. I just said if it happens. This is why Sam is better than everyone, because you go buy something that's going, that you want it to go up and it's going down, and you just chill and you relax. And all of a sudden, it goes from 1 to 30 cents, and then on a Friday, 4 days later, it goes up 25 points and goes to $10. That's it. I mean, you really, really have to trade smaller, and don't worry. And then everything ran. Okay, so huge day yesterday, very nice. Let's see what happened. Meta looks like it wants 672 and higher view. I mean, let me tell you, Meta, I'm putting it at 10% that they go into China. I'm going to up that to 30%. I think within 6 months, they're in China. Okay? Interesting, right? Not buying anything. I look at it, it's flying. 648. Whoa, what just came out? CPI? Whoa, hold on. CPI is flying. Give me a second here. What were they? Somebody knows. Up 2/10. This is really good. SPX is 13. It's up 2/10. Whoa, minus 1/10. Why is this thing not up 100? Whoa, interesting. Let's see. Okay, gonna get fun. Now, here's the bigger thing. If this is really that low, and if they start saying Fed is back in play, what do you have? You have risk assets on. Risk assets, MicroStrategy. Let's see. Tesla just took off. Come on. This is what we know. This is what we know. Okay, that's where we go. Let's get going here. SPX up 9. Should be up way more than that. But you're stuck at this 5881, 5900 area. I think it's going to get to 6,000. It's going to piss people off. Because even some pretty good traders that I know, they're posting stuff like, oh, we need to backtrace. I mean, that's just stupid. It's just stupid. It doesn't make any sense. If you're waiting for something to happen and it happens, if it goes up, let's say you're waiting for NVIDIA to announce it can sell to China. I'm just making it up. And NVIDIA goes to 150. The same person, these people are going to say, oh, it needs to drop 10 or 20. I mean, this is just dumb. Dumb exists. Stupid exists. A lot of insanity exists. Okay? Understand that. Know who you follow. Okay, SPX up 10, 58.54 is that. 58.72, 58.81, 58.81, and 5,900, round number, okay? Underneath, 5,800 even, 57.72. Avago, 126, 131. NVIDIA, 126, 131. I'm sorry, Avago, 226, 231. Avago, 126, 131. Lilly, so why did Lilly not go down? Because he put this out there, and it should tank, but he said, we're going to give you 30 days to do the right thing. So for 30 days, if they don't do anything, everything's the same. Then he said he's going to give you a 6-month comment period when he puts the rule out. So that for 7 months, Lilly doesn't have an issue. That's it. Interesting. Okay? So just understand that. So that's what's going on. That's why. CrowdStrike, 431, 444. Coin, get added to the S&P, 236, 252. HIMS looks like it wants to take off. 61 will squeeze this sucker to 70. Palantir looks like it's better. 126 will squeeze this to 131. Hold on a second. Okay. Google, 161, 167. Netflix, 1152, under 1091. Apple, 216, 222, under 209. Carvana, 292, under 272. Goldman Sachs, 603, 609. AppLovin, 361 beast now. 361 beast. Hold on a second. Let me look at this. So the SPX is up 7. NASDAQ is up 70. That's a 10-to-1 ratio. stunningly strong because of NVIDIA and Avago. Probably playable today. Okay? On NASDAQ. TTD 81 can squeeze this all the way to 92. 92 gets you into the gap, gets you to 110. MicroStrategy 431, beast. Microsoft 452, beast. Tesla 239, 244, beast. NOW 1031. Interesting. Wow. NASDAQ is flying. Dow's just basing. Gonna be a good day. Are you smiling? Watch Meta. It may rocket to 672. Wow. Those 640s we got are gonna be 15. Wow. We sold it and we rolled up. That's what we know. Everybody have a great trading day. See you in chat.